Hello, sorry I couldn't make it today. Just have a few things that I want to tell you about the assignment that you're going to be working on, as well as the end of semester 1. So if you look at the sideboard, there is a final schedule available and all of the things that we'll be doing for the remainder of the year in biology class. Please note that on your semester exam you may use your notebook, but you may not use anyone else's notebook. You also may not have photocopies or handouts or study guides stapled into your notebook. If you have answers handwritten in your notebook, that's fine, but you can't just put the entire study guide in your notebook. So just a heads up, that's coming up week after next. There will be a study guide available next week, and again, the answers to that study guide can be in your notebook, and you may use them on your semester exam. The next thing is related to the lab reports. So the osmosis lab reports that were due before break. If you did not turn them in, or did not turn in maybe one of the parts of those, you need to turn those in as soon as you can. By today or tomorrow would be a good idea. And if you get yours back and you want to make changes, you feel like you maybe just missed the main idea, you will have an opportunity to do that, but it must be turned in by Monday. If you did not get yours back today, you can check the pass back folder at the side of the room. Anything that's graded is in that folder. Posters in the back of the room have not yet been graded. Alright, the next thing is what we're doing today. So today you are going to do a small piece of research related to cells that will not be graded or not be tested on your semester exam, but it is worth points and will be graded. So that looks like this. Pages are numbered to two handouts, pages 1, 2, 3, and 4. So part 1 is red light, green light, some research that you'll be doing on the internet. You can access this assignment on the handouts and links page on my website, because there are websites that are hyperlinked into the document to facilitate your research. If you are in the Mac lab, if you're going to the Mac lab, you cannot use, or you cannot go to the website for question 2 or 4. It's going to cause the computer to crash. So that's part 1. Finish that today. Part 2, worth 20 points and a possible additional 20 points if you're willing to take the extra challenge, is to, well, you have to do a small report, and it's called a 2-20-20 report. So what is a 2-20-20 report? That's what it says right here. First thing you need to do is write a 2-paragraph summary of one of the topics you did in part 1. Stem cells or fight or flight response for humans. Okay, 2-paragraph summary on one of those topics. Second thing you do, 20-second summary. You're going to make an audio recording online on a website. There's instructions down here. 20 seconds, no more than 20 seconds. 20 seconds or less. Summarize. Good, intentional summary that clearly shows that you put thought into it. The third piece is a 20-word summary. Exactly 20 words, no more, no less. 20-word summary of the topic. So 20-word summary, 20-second summary, and a 2-paragraph summary about like stem cells or human fight or flight response. Worth 20 points. Due end of next week. So you have this class period and next class period for sure to work on it. The other piece is an optional. You may do another 2-20-20 report for kind of like an extra 20 points on one of the topics at the bottom. Additional topics right here. They're also on the back with hyperlinks to resources to help you study. If you have any questions, if you get totally stumped, ask your classmates. Don't just sit there and not do it. Okay, use your time wisely, and ask around again if you get to something and you don't know the answer. Help each other out. Be a team. See you next time. Thank you.